everyone, welcome to our kitchen again. Today we'll be preparing a homemade pasta with frutti di mare, which is basically a seafood pasta. I'll make it spicy with tomato sauce. So if you want to know how to make a pasta from scratch, so please stay tuned and enjoy the video. See you at the end, guys. Thanks guys. It's done. It's a long process, but let's see if it's worth it. Okay, I have a basil, by the way, from my wife. So I used it today. Let's see how the pasta tastes. Homemade pasta. This is so good. I'm not joking. This is very, very good. My God. I need more fried garlic on top. And let's try this mussels. Okay. Homemade garlic bread with white wine. This is not gonna be eating, it's dining already. Trust me, if you want to recreate this and impress your friends or your loved ones, it's worth the process. It's worth the hard work. Oh my God, so tender and sweet. I'm going to reinforce it with my trusty Tabasco over here. Wow. This is legit sweat. It's so good that I'm sweating. You know, it's hot. It's a little bit sour from the tomato, crunchy that you get from the fried garlic. You get the oregano. You also get that amazing dill flavor with not coriander, parsley rather. And again, the prawn head stock that we used really adds flavor to this dish. So again guys, if you wanna recreate this at home, please do so. Try this. Trust me, it's worth the process. It's made with love, you know. It's not the dried pasta that you get regularly in the grocery store. This one is homemade. It's amazing. And by the way, this is my first time making my own pasta, but I actually, based in what I tasted, it's good. It's amazing, you know. So again, thank you so much for following me, for subscribing. If your friends want to follow as well, please tell them. Spread the news. That's it. And again, this is Wawo. Thank you for being with me for the last couple of minutes, and see you next week. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Oh my God. I've been using Oh my God for like 10 times now. That's how good it is. Amazing.